If you want to hard reset your CMF phone to Pro by using recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to turn it off. Wait for the phone to completely turn off, and once it is completely off, we need to now press and hold the power button and volume up button. And just hold it for a couple of seconds until you are in the boot selection. There we go. Over here in this menu, let me try to get the focus, we can press volume up in order to choose the mode that we want to go in. So we want to select the recovery mode and then press volume down in order to confirm. There we go. Once you select the recovery mode, the phone will shortly after that switch to this dead Android logo. And in order to proceed, we need to press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button, press volume up, and now we can release the power button. Over here, we navigate in the Android recovery mode by using volume button, so you can use volume up and volume down. We want to choose this option, wipe data / factory reset, and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. After that, go to factory data reset, and once again confirm by pressing the power button. And after that, follow the instructions that may appear on the screen in order to finalize the hard reset. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!